How to pick up phone without touching iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down and go to Call Audio Routing. Call audio routing determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. Over here, go to Auto Answer Calls. Make sure that the Auto Answer Call switch is turned on. After that, you can also choose the duration of time to wait until the call is auto-answered. For example, for seconds. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily pick up phone without touching iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.